Nyinga Lydia Okeyo. Fuok mar Duond Bura mar ODM wiwelo mag jokanyo ang'wen kaka jotend migepe sirikand Kenya Kwanza. SIFUNA wacho ni joma owal okosir kod duond bura no kendo ponono ni idhi puodh gi mar chako tich ayanga dhi bedo e lowo gi wuon. SIFUNA nyiso luoro ni jo ODM onge kod ng'eyo matut e manifesto mar Kenya Kwanza ma ibiro dwar mondo mi giketie tem kaluwore ni lemo momigi gin mago manyaka neni dwaro mar sirikal ochopo kae. Ruto nyo walo jokanyo ang'wen mag duond bura mar ODM e sirikal mare.
When we issued the statement that we issued 2 days ago, we said that any member of ODM who's made themselves available for joining or appointment to government would be doing that in the individual capacity and without the blessing of the party. Because as a party, if we are going to take collective responsibility for a decision, it has to be a decision that is reached at, by the party. I don't speak for myself. I speak for organs of the party, decisions that have been made by organs of the party. So did we know that people were negotiating with Ruto? Yes, we knew. Was it something that was being done officially or formally through the party structures? No. Did we endorse the decision by these 4 individuals to join government? No. It is not a decision of ODM. If you are getting into a government of national unity, you will show me a document. Trevor, even the much maligned handshake between Raila Odinga and Uhuru Kenyatta, there was a document. You saw the 2 of them at Harambee House saying this is what we have agreed. It would have been different if when the president was announcing these names, he would have said, and by the way, I listened to his words. Even the president himself never said he consulted Raila. He never said he consulted ODM. He just said the names of the people that he has appointed, and it is his prerogative as a president. There is no way Raila presents 4 names, 2 from one region, in a party as diverse as ODM. I am telling you, this is not a decision of Raila Odinga.